So, Apple TV just released the new beta firmware to make the Apple TV to be 21 by 9 compliant. What is that? Instead of spending 5, 10, 20 minutes like other videos out there, I'm just gonna waste 5 minutes of your time. Yes, 5 minutes as opposed to 20 minutes. Honestly, I don't understand why those videos have to be like 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes. It's a simple concept, really. Movies come in various aspect ratio. 16 by 9, 17 by 9, or also called DCI, or also called IMAX, and 2 to 1 ratio, 2.2 to 1 ratio, 2.35, 2.37, 2.39, 2.4 to 1 ratio, sometimes also called as 21 by 9 ratio, and everything in between. This is why when you watch movies on TV, sometimes there are black bars at the top and bottom, sometimes the black bars are thin, and sometimes they're thick. There's simply no two ways about it. The shape of your TV is one shape, and the shape of the movies are different shape, and they have to fit the shape of the movie into the TV. And black bars are annoying due to human physiology. We can adapt with black bars on the side, but not top and bottom. To somewhat remedy this, projector owners like myself use a 21 by 9 screen, which is a scope ratio. And by using zoom or anamorphic lens, we resize the video to fill the entire height with black bars on the left and right, also known as constant image height. But of course, you have to do this manually for every single aspect ratio being shown, or you gotta spend a bajillion dollars on video processors such as my Lumigen Radiance Pro, which is looking for a new home, by the way. Now in about a month's time, Apple TV will come up with a new firmware update, so you can choose which type of screen you're using, be it 16 by 9, 21 by 9, 17 by 9, also known as DCI 4K, or IMAX aspect ratio, as IMAX like to promote it as, or even the very extreme 32 by 9, usually used for gaming. This way, let's say you're using a 21 by 9 screen, you set your projector for 21 by 9 and leave it. Apple TV will automatically take the various aspect ratio of all kinds of movies and fit it into the screen aspect ratio that you choose. And if you're using subtitle, the subtitle will not fall outside the projected area. Yes, you will have black bars on the left and right side, but as I mentioned earlier, human can tolerate black bars on the sides as opposed to top and bottom. So there you go, less than 3 minutes. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.